Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First, I want to thank you for your presence in this class and today's presentation. Before we begin, please let me introduce myself. My name is Nika Dea Duyanti, a student of Business Department Bali State Polytechnic. And in this presentation, I would like to talk about the result of questionnaire about massage and facial treatment that filled out by 138 women. There is 59% of women aged 19 years old, 38% of women aged more than 20 years old, and 3% of women aged 17 until 18 years old. Next. Well, for question 1, have you ever had a massage or facial treatment? There is 91% of women and choose yes, I have, and 9% of women choose no, I haven't. Well, from this question, more women have had treatment for their face and their body. Question 2. What age did you first have a massage or facial treatment? Of 138 women who filled out the questionnaire, the youngest was 10 years old and the oldest was 20 years old. To question 3. What treatment do you often do? 74% of women did facial more often and 26% of women did massage more often. Well, for now, more women pay more attention to their facial care than body care. Question 4. How often do you have massage or facial treatment? 75% of women often do treatment once a week and 25% of women often do treatment twice a week. Well, it actually depends on how our bodies need treatment. For example, if one person is enough to do massage once a week to relaxing their body, maybe another people have to do it twice a week. It also depends on how our body's condition. Question 5. Is there any place for treatment around your house? 20% of women choose there is no spa or other treatment place around their house, and 80% of women choose there is spa or other treatment place around their house. Well, from this question, you can take business opportunity by building a spa or treatment place near their house that doesn't have spa or treatment place over there. And if I look at that address, there is some people who live in Jimbaran and Nusa Dua, which there is a good place if you want to make a treatment business, because the people are modern and also understand the importance of facial care and body care. Next, for question 6. Does this pandemic affect you in doing massage or facial treatment? 29% of women answer this pandemic had no effect on their activities doing some treatment, and 71% of women answer this pandemic did affect on their activities doing some treatment. Well, it might because the people are afraid to make physical contact with other people while doing treatment, or something as we know. Pandemic also makes many people lose their job, which requires them to be smart in spending money. Question 7. How much time do you spend doing massage or facial treatment? 34% of women spend 1 hour doing some treatment. 32% of women spend less than 1 hour doing some treatment. And 34% of women spend more than 1 hour doing some treatment. Well, it actually depends on what treatment that we choose. For example, there is foot massage and body massage, where those of treatment have a different time. And it also depends on what treatment that our bodies need. Question 8. How much do you have to pay for one time of massage or facial treatment? 25% of women spend less than 50,000 rupiah. 37% of women choose more than 100,000 rupiah, and 38% of women choose less than 100,000 rupiah. Well, from this question, more women spend money between 51,000 rupiah until 99,000 rupiah. which we can use it as a reference if we want to make a spa or treatment business, so that the price we offer can be affordable for everyone, especially for people that affected by a pandemic. To question 9. Where do you prefer to do massage or facial treatment? 33% of women prefer to do treatment at home, and 67% of women prefer to come directly to the treatment place. Next, for last question. Have you ever had a bad experience doing some treatment? If so, what was it caused by? 61% of women choose never had a bad experience. 20% of women choose because of bad service. 12% of women choose because of bad products, and 7% of women choose because of other things. Well, in conclusion, this questionnaire can be a reference if you want to make a spa or treatment business by building in strategic place and make sure the price we offer is enough to attract local people to come to our treatment place, and also make sure the product we will use have a good quality because it will affect customer interested doing treatment with us. Well guys, that's all about my presentation today. Thank you so much for your attention and have a nice day.